Hello everybody. In this lesson I will show you how to solve trig equations. I will start with a couple of easy examples and in the end we will do this example below. A trigonometric equation is an equation with trigonometric functions in which you are expected to solve and find the size of the angle. Then the question is solve for theta correct to 1 decimal place. And then I give you sin theta equals 0,674. So when you're working out an angle with your calculator, you will use the shift button. And you will say shift sin 0,674 close bracket equals. And then your answer, theta is 42,4 degrees. Remember to put the degrees there since you are calculating the size of an angle. Solve for theta. And then I give you tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0,241. So your problem in this sum is you want to isolate tan and its angle. And you have to get rid of the minus 1. So you will get rid of the minus 1 by taking it across to the other side. And then you end with, on the left hand side, tan theta equals, and on the right hand side, it's 0,241 plus 1. Then left it's still tan theta equals 1,241. Now we can work out theta with our calculator. When we work out an angle, we will use the shift button. So it's shift tan 1,241 close bracket equals, and then the answer, theta is 51,1 degrees. Solve for theta correct to 1 decimal place. In this equation, I give you cos, and then inside a bracket, there's theta plus 12 degrees equals 0,345. Now, in this one, you won't let the 12 degrees walk across at this stage, since on the right hand side there's numbers and that's angles. So what you're going to do is you're first going to calculate the angle with your calculator. So you will say shift cos 0.345 close bracket equals. And now on the left hand side, you will write theta plus 12 degrees equals, and on the right hand side, you write the 51,1 degrees. Now your equation consists of angles right through. And it's here where the 12 will walk across and it becomes negative 12. And you can say theta is 51,1 degrees minus 12 degrees, and your answer, theta is 39,1 degrees. Solve for theta correct to 1 decimal place. Now what is wrong with your equation is the half in front of the cos theta. So we will get rid of that half by multiplying both sides by 2. And then when you multiply on the left hand side, the 2's will cancel and you're left with cos theta. And on the right hand side, 0,284 times 2 is 0,568. Now you can find the size of theta with your calculator. We're calculating an angle, therefore we will use the shift button. So it is shift cos 0,568 close bracket equals, and then the answer, theta is 55,4 degrees. Solve for theta. Now I give you tan 2 theta equals 1,874. Here you must be very careful. I know perhaps you want to say divide by 2, but you can't do that. Since this 2 is bound to the theta, it's an angle. So there's nothing you can do. You wait with the 2 theta and you will first calculate your angle. In fact, you call that angle the reference angle. So with your calculator, we're calculating an angle, so it is shift and tan 1,874 close bracket equals. And then on the left hand side, there's 2 theta equals 61,9 degrees. And then I want theta, therefore divide by 2, divide by 2. And when you divide, the answer theta is 31 degrees. Solve for theta correct to 1 decimal place. Now what's wrong with this sum is the 3 in front of the sin. So first of all, I will get rid of the 3 by dividing both sides by 3. And then I'm left on the left hand side with sin bracket 2 theta minus 18 degrees equals to, and that 0,513 divided by 3 is 0,171. Now, here next to the sin, the 2 theta minus 18 degrees, that whole bracket is an angle. So there's nothing you can do at this stage other than working out the angle on the right hand side. So you will say shift sin 0,171 close bracket equals, and then on the left hand side you're left with 2 theta minus 18 degrees equals 9,8 degrees. And now everything is degrees right through, so you can take the negative 18 across and you're left with 2 theta equals 9,8 degrees plus 18 degrees, which is 27,8 degrees. And you want to solve theta, so you can now get rid of the 2 by dividing both sides by 2. And your final answer, theta is 13,9 degrees. In the next video, I will discuss trigonometry and the theorem of Pythagoras in the first quadrant. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.